The Roman Empire, one of the most powerful civilizations in history, left a legacy that continues to shape our world today. From the languages we speak to the buildings we admire, the Romans have shaped the way we live in ways we might not even realize. Let's take a journey through time and explore how the legacy of the Roman Empire is still alive around us. First, let's start with architecture and engineering. The Romans were master builders. They created monumental structures that not only served practical purposes, but also showcased their engineering genius. Take the Pantheon, for example, with its massive dome and oculus. It's still one of the best preserved buildings from the ancient world. The Romans also introduced aqueducts, giant water channels that brought fresh water into their cities. Imagine cities without running water. The aqueducts changed that, making it possible for Rome to support millions of people. The Romans were also famous for their roads. Over 250,000 miles of roads connected their vast empire. Some of these roads still exist today, embedded beneath the streets of modern Europe. Now, let's talk about the law. The Romans are the reason we have the legal systems we do today. They developed a set of laws that influenced the entire world. One of the most important contributions was the 12 Tables, laws written on bronze tablets that were publicly displayed so all Romans could see them. These laws laid the groundwork for fairness, with principles like innocent until proven guilty that we still use in modern courtrooms. Their ideas about contracts, property rights, and legal representation still form the backbone of modern legal systems around the world. The Roman military was another key part of their success. The Romans created an army so powerful it helped them control one of the largest empires in history. Roman soldiers were highly disciplined and their tactics were revolutionary. For example, the testudo formation, where soldiers stood close together with shields raised to form a wall, was almost impenetrable. These strategies were so effective that they are still studied in military academies today. Next, let's talk about language. The Romans spoke Latin, a language that would go on to influence many modern tongues. Latin gave rise to the Romance languages: Spanish, French, Italian, Portuguese, and Romanian. So, if you speak any of these languages, you're still connected to the Roman Empire. Even English, with its vast vocabulary, borrows many words from Latin, especially in law, medicine, and science. Let's not forget Roman art. The Romans were skilled artists who borrowed from the Greeks, but they also developed their own unique style. They were particularly known for their realistic portraits, capturing the faces and personalities of their emperors and citizens. The Romans also created beautiful mosaics, small, colored tiles arranged to form intricate pictures. These were used in homes and public spaces, showing the importance of art in Roman society. Today, Roman art continues to inspire modern artists. Unfortunately, the Roman Empire eventually fell. In 476 AD, the Western Roman Empire collapsed after years of pressure from invasions, economic struggles, and political instability. But the Byzantine Empire, which continued in the East, kept Roman culture alive for almost 1,000 more years. Constantinople, now Istanbul, became the heart of the Byzantine Empire and a beacon of Roman traditions. The fall of the West didn't mean the end of Roman influence. It just transformed into something new. Today, we see the lasting impact of the Roman Empire everywhere. Roman law still influences the way we build our legal systems. Roman roads laid the foundation for modern transportation networks. The Romance languages continue to shape how millions of people communicate. And Roman art and architecture continue to inspire new generations of creators and engineers. The Romans may no longer rule an empire, but their ideas live on, woven into the fabric of our modern world. The Roman Empire might have fallen centuries ago, but its legacy will never fade. It reminds us that the past is not just something to learn about. It's something that still shapes who we are today. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more content.